Hi guys, welcome back to your channel, and today we're going to be playing Guess the Sound of the Symbol. So make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, I think this is Netflix. Yeah. Okay, I think this is Snapchat. I don't know have Snapchat, but it's not on any of those. I think this is definitely Among Us. So let's see. This one's definitely Duolingo. So yeah. This one, I think yes. No, this is no. I hasn't. Oh, no. Okay. Then if it's not that, I think it's YouTube. Yeah, it is. Okay. This is Apple. This Android. No, I forgot what it's called. Okay. This is Pringles. Oh, I don't know what's happening. Okay, let's try this again. Yes, McDonald's. Yes. Go. Yes, that one. I don't know the name, honestly. Disney, yes. What's up? Yes. This is Apple. How's not Apple? No, I have to start from the beginning. Okay, Netflix. Brush up. Netflix, yeah. This is Snapchat, yes. I'm just going mangas, yes. Duolingo, yes. I think it was Android. Oh, TikTok, yeah. YouTube, yeah. iPhone, yeah. That English guy, I forgot him, yeah. I think it's no, it's not that. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, yeah. That, yeah. So big recently, yeah. I'm following some people, not at the same time. Okay, yeah. What's up? Yeah. I'm waiting for them to cook because I forgot heard it. Yes, I got it. Whopper, Junior. I think it's Burger King. Yes. Mario. Yeah. It's Mario, right? Yeah. It's Mario. No one else Pizza Hut. Is it Pizza Hut? Yes, Pizza Hut. I think. Okay, I think this is Cook. Yes, I think this one is Subway. Yes, Lego. Because I'm just wondering at this point. Lego. Pokemon. Oh, 225, yeah. Think this is KFC, yes. Horse. Yes, made to the end. I'm gonna see if I can skip. No, you have to pay river. So guys, on this stage, I'm really clumsy at this. So yeah. Okay, someone just jump already. Okay, this guy jumped. Oh, then this, yes. Okay, guys, someone jump already. Oh no, that's close. Yes. Someone jump. I'm not jumping. Someone just jump. Like, seriously. Okay, guys. So, come on, someone jump. Like, seriously, is it so hard for someone to jump on a platform? Someone just go forward already. I want to win. Okay, someone jump forward. Yes. Just hope if I can get this one. Okay. So stop preparing. Seriously. No, I lost. Oh no, done. Okay, you just do this real quick. Okay, first on this platform, jump on the other one. No, I'm doing it again. No. I'm just gonna die. Okay, let's just settle again. Period. Okay. So yes. Okay, let's go. This one. No, you what? I died. Stop preparing simply. No, we're at the beginning. Oh no, I died. Well, this is the end, I guess. Bye.